April is our anniversary month here at Cincinnati Maintenance, and this year we celebrate our 9th year. I just want to thank you for that wonderful opportunity. Many of you have been seeing the $99 cleaning special go around town. Let's demystify that. To do the job correctly, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of time, and a lot of knowledge. One of the most important steps is vacuuming, because up to 80% of all the soil in your carpet is insoluble, meaning water alone cannot break it down. Have you seen your carpet cleaner use a vacuum? Everyone's home is different and unique. That is why we cannot charge a flat $99 to clean every single person's home. Not to mention, all of our employees go through an extensive training program. All of our services and processes maintain our commitment to providing a healthy and clean environment. All things considered, when you think about everything that it takes for us to show up to your doorstep, from the rigorous training of our employees, the insurance, and everything else, I will not sacrifice your health and safety nor your investment for $99. If you'd like to hire the best, hire Cincinnati Maintenance. Call the pros in green, we'll keep it clean.